here. Nice to meet you.
I'm Angela. Nice to meet you. Let's go.
Yeah, please. Oh.
Good morning. Good morning. So today I am heading to Angkor Wat, and we are with, what's her name?
Here.
Satir. And he's our tour guide for today.
So we're here right now?
Yes.
And where's the temple?
Here.
I mean, like, in terms of distance. So we're here, and it's over...
Angkor Wat. I have to go here.
Angkor Wat is here.
Yes.
Oh,
before here, ticket bus.
Yeah.
Old place. So now they changed to right here.
Okay, so we still have to go a little
And we
bit
can
to
go-
this way, right?
This way or that way.
We arrived in Angkor Wat.
This is Angkor Wat. Angkor means capital or city. Wat is Cambodian people name for Buddhist temple or Buddhist monastery. In Cambodia, we got Indian influence here in the 1st century, and the Indian people they brought two big religions to us, Buddhism and Hinduism. Before Indian came here, Khmer people we practice Indonesian religions. People believe in water, fire, mountain, and the jungle. It is look similar to Hindu structure. So from the 4th to 12th century, we practice Hinduism. The late 12th century to 16th century, the king have been changed religions from Hindu to Buddhism, Buddhism to Hindu about 4 times. And in the late after 16th century, we are completely changed to Buddhism. So nowadays, 90% of the local people are Buddhism, 3% Christian, and 7% Muslim. Yeah. And look at that. You look from here now, you can see 5 towers of the main building.
Yeah.
That way, yeah. See that? Beautiful. So many people, they come here early morning to see sun right here.
Right.
5 o'clock. Some people. Gonna go. This is God Vishnu. Some original arm, some new arm. The local people have been chopped his head and his arm for business. After the Civil War, 1980. So it's a lot of Buddha heads or a lot of the antique stuff trafficked to Thailand or some other country for business. Chinese people, they brought here. So she's got beautiful dress. Sarah, she's a dancing lady.
Wow, look at those textures.
Cutting on the wall here.
Everything is handmade. Yeah, everything is handmade here.
Cutting by hand.
Yeah.
Handmade, just beautiful.
Hello.
Wow.
You can see many flower stones on the floor here. The back. So now you can see 4 different pools in the main temple.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and 4. The 4 different pools used to be put water here. The people they bring water to fill in the pool by baggage. They are bamboo waving, and it's painted by the rubber. Big baggage. People passing the water put in here. After we fill the water in the pool, the king he went up to the top level for prayer and worship. After that, when he finished, he let the people swim in the pool.
Oh, really?
To clean the bad luck away.
Masa bersama kerana kabarana porin kuat masih kita sampai di mana kita sebut jenuh semeji mereka yang tahu pun yang mulai sejanang dan semak ibang bang berjauh hijau suci mereka beracik kepala ke sesi pada bawah ke absi ke so potin nak agak patah pemusnah kata semereka senang semua tak jatuh apa mereka kamam tekanan menukam pun ada tekanan ikat mana depan tekanan satu kali pun belajar semeji juga via Necang waktu itu terasa kami buat nanti aja mana sekarang belum penuh sahaja kami ni minat semai dulu lagi kami.
I should have worn brighter colors. It's so hot.
One of the wonderful sunrise picture.
We're here.
Good, we're here. Good. What?
So we are now in Prohm. This is a location that Tom Riley was shot, and yeah, let's check out this place. Look at that tree. It basically just grew from the building. Looks really cool.
A strong tree, you can raise it.
Wow, look at that tree.
It is about 300 to 400 years old.
I feel like that's just a warning, not like a rule.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys gotta check out this tree. It's massive. Yeah. And now see, I'm not gonna buy another phone now here in Asia.
On the wall used to be big Buddha image carving on here. So in the late of the 13th century, the Hindu people chopped the Buddhas away. And some of the Buddha down here, you can see that they changing or they adding to be Hindu people. They put beads on the Buddhas and extra big eye on him. And they are changing the hand. The Buddha used to be, they put a flat hand for meditation, but now they're crossing the hand up and with the leg too. You can see one default here. See this one here.
Guys, so
Down here is original Buddha before, and now extra converted him to be the Hindu people. Crossing the leg and oh wow, big.
Oh, look at that! Wow, it's huge.
Giant snake.
Yeah, look at the tree. The body is very, very thick. Let's get closer. Wait, so this is my hand. Oh, let's see how big it is.
Oh, the lightning hit it and it fell.
This and then it's that. So they chopped the top away about 4 months ago. The big tree. You can see an icon.
Oh, look. Where are we going?
You see Tomb Raider.
Oh,
Trees. Huge trees.
huge, even bigger?
Yeah, I mean they got many runes.
Okay.
Many runes.
Wow.
This is the Tomb Raider trees. See that?
Oh yeah. Wow, look at that.
Look at the sun.
Yeah.
So now we come to see the other tree here.
All right.
Big trees. Please, while you start, please.
Okay.
Look at this root here.
Oh,
my
it's
God.
giant.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That part of the root look like a bottom.
Look at that. It's huge. Heading out now.
Yeah, we are leaving now. Finished today.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
very much. Good.
And
Yeah, buddy.
let's go.
Everybody in the fun V.
Oh.